Hello, Marilyn here, your optimism guru, ready to spread a little daily cheer in your world. Today, I want to kick off your day thinking about all the goals that you have set for yourself. So every day, you need to find ways and have plans in place to keep long-term, middle range, and short-term goals at the forefront of your brain. Whether it's on your calendar every day, whether it's in your journaling every day, whether it's in a big sign on your wall, in front of your face, at your desk all day. Remember that all of your goals need to be crystal clear in your mind so that your actions every day, all day, match up to align with making sure those goals become reality. So your 10-year plan on the wall, right there in front of you, in your calendar. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Right there, same place. You need it right there in front of you, calendar. I like to do like essentially a bookmark that I've printed out that I make notes on, and I kind of do checklists and things like that. But it has all of my goals, long-term, medium range, and short-term goals listed on it. So 10-year plan, 5-year plan, stuff that's more medium range, like 3 to 12 month goals, you know, what you need to get done, not necessarily in the current quarter, but before year end or whatnot. And then shorter term goals. So what are your goals for today? What are your goals for this week? What are your goals for this month? All of those things need to be listed and at the forefront of your mind, because that helps create the action so that your goals aren't just these flighty things that are in your head. They are actionable steps that you're taking every single day to accomplish what you're putting on that paper, or what you're putting on that wall, or what you're putting in your mind, what you're feeding yourself. You're not just dreaming and wishing and hoping it all works out, but you are taking the action that leads to the goal fulfillment. And whenever we keep those kinds of things at the forefront of our minds, something magical happens beyond just the fact that we actually take more actionable steps on the goals. But as we are accomplishing things, as we are checking things off, today's goal list, this week's goal list, this month's goal list, as we are checking stuff off because we're being efficient, we're being productive, we're being smart about our work, we're working harder, we're working smarter, we're actually rewarded by then having more free time, more family time, more time to do something that we enjoy. Because whenever we're focused and we're honed in on the things that we need to get done, we have more time to get done the things that we want to do outside of our passion projects, outside of our work, outside of the to-do list, so to speak. So I want to encourage you to do this step today. If you don't already keep those goals, long-term, middle range, and short-term goals in front of you at all times, to where you have to look at them, you have to repeat them, you have them as a mantra, you have them being written over and over and over every single day, then start doing it today. Because you're not going to achieve your goals just by talking about them. You're going to need to take action. So how do you take action? You remember all the time what they are, so that you are prompted to take action every moment of every day. So I have a question of the day today, and I'm looking forward to hearing your responses. So please either message me or preferably put them in the comments section down below this video so that everyone can jump in and share in the conversation. But my question of the day is, what book, what podcast, what video, what resource has helped inspire and motivate and lead you to setting and accomplishing your goals more than any other ever. So what one thing, what one person, what one business professional, what one writer, what one documentary filmmaker has inspired you the most? I would love to hear about it because I'd love to watch it, read it, listen to it, experience it. So please share with myself and anyone else in the comments section what has inspired you the most. I'd love to hear your answers to this. Now, quick quote of the day. On top of the question of the day, we're going to leave you with a quick quote to just go on about your day. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it, which is so, so true. Keep those goals in mind. Take actionable steps each and every day. And until I see you again, I hope that you are making it a great day.